swap into the other truck and go ahead and drive that. So that's what we're going to do here. I usually just use double-sided tape to mount them. That way you can easily just stick it onto the plastic. So you want to disconnect the steering servo wire. Leave that on the truck. Now you got your receiver right here and your ESC. Just disconnect it from the brushless motor. Careful that way you don't break the wires. And then you can go ahead and put this away for storage. Stay tuned for that video where I fix it. Sure it's tight in there. Then connect it when it's already nice and set in, so you can just plop it down with the double-sided tape. Gotta connect your 3 wires. Doesn't really matter the orientation that you plug it in. And then if it runs backwards, you just unconnect any of the 2 and reconnect it, and it should run forwards. Just gotta check when you turn it on. Then also the steering, you gotta plug it in with the black negative facing the others. Usually it's down, but this one's sideways. Since you have that connected, you can go ahead and give it some power, but make sure you always turn on your remote first before you turn on any RC. I also on this just added the all metal steering servo. Does pretty well. We're gonna go ahead and add the body on. Has some magnets on it.